Good morning, ma'am. Ang nire-report ko po ay countryside dance. Ang akin po ang nire-report ay subli dance. Ito po ang mga ano sa subli dance. Introduction. The term of subli owes its meaning to two Tagalog words sub-sub, meaning to fall with the head and body, which means broken. Hence, the dancer appeared to be lame and crooked throughout the dance. It's a folk dance in the Philippines which is considered to be a favorite of the people of the boroughs of the municipality of Bauan, Batangas. It is ceremonial worship dance performed in homage to the Holy Cross, referred to in the vernacular as Mahal na Poong Santa Cruz. Ito po ay nire-referred po tuwing Mahal na Poong Santa Cruz na isayaw at favorite po siya sayawin ng municipality of Bauan, Batangas. Subli. The stances, gestures, and movements of the male dancers are freewheeling and dramatic, consisting of leaping, striking the ground with wooden bamboo clappers held in both hands, known as kalaste. In other movements suggesting the martial arts, the female dancers circle on half show, performing the talik, small refined gestures with wrist and fingers, their fingers grazing their small brief, hat, and alampay. A triangular scarf worn loosely over the shoulder that are the essential parts of their costume. Ito po ay ang stances at gestures and movements ng sayaw na subli at ang na-recommend ay sa kanila ay martial arts. Ito po ang mga costume nila rin. History. Subli originated some 300 years ago in the barrio of Dingin, Alitagtag, Batangas. According to research made by Dr. Elena Mirano, the word subli came from the old Tagalog word subli, meaning salise or exchange of place. Subli is the dance portion of a devotion performed in honor of the Mahal na Poong Santa Cruz. Ang salitang subli po ay nanggaling sa salitang subli na old Tagalog word. Ang meaning po ay salise or exchange of place. Costume. Girls wear simple balintawak costume with tapis and panyo in a buri hat. Boys wear barong Tagalog and red crochet with a pair of bamboo castanets held in each hand. Both girls and boys are barefooted. Ang costume po ng girls ay nakabalintawak costume with a tapis and panyo and a buri hat. Boys wear barong Tagalog and red crochet with a pair of bamboo castanets. At ang both in boys and girls ay pares po naka-barefooted. And ito po yung reference. And that's all. Thank you.